next slide po natin, first na ito, 2025 Kia Seltos. Automatic all-wheel drive, number of cylinder po niya is 4, version po niya is EX4X. Odometer po niya is 19,007 km, 96 months to pay or 8 years to pay, 127 tax included. Ayun, 127 tax included. Gray mugs and then naka-semi-tinted din po siya. And then may lagayan na siya ng carrier. Ayun, 4X Kia Seltos. Oops. And then interior po niya is ganito, yan. Leather seat, sunroof, check. 5-seater seat, check. And then spare tire accessories, check. And then yung interior po niya rito sa likuran is ganito. Naka-winter matting na rin po siya. And the same time, meron ka pong charging area. Ayan. And then ibababa rin po yung lagayan ng drinks. You see, naka-plastic pa siya dati. And then sunroof, check. And then we have blind spot also sa side mirror. And then interior po niya in front is ganito. Ayan. Ang ating 2025 Kia Seltos. Ayan, low kilometer. Galing siya sa mismong kasa. Charot. Ayan. And then ito po yung kanyang susi. Ayan, 2025 Kia Seltos. Isa lang po yung kanyang susi. I think ito is yung kanyang remote starter. Nasa side. Then press button start. And then distance, cross control, low kilometer. And same time namomonitor po ninyo yung takbo ninyo. And then handbrake po niya di hatak. Heated seat po niya dito. Magkabilaan, check. And then reverse camera. Yon, clear na cleared. And then of course touchscreen din po siya. Yan, touchscreen, then lagay ng drinks compartment, 5-seater seat, and then yung cover po niya is pull and push lang po siya. Then kung gusto mong hangin galing sa labas, ayun, pwede mo siyang i-open, pwede mo siyang ding i-close. Diba? Then yung kanyang mahiwagang manual, ayun, hindi pa siya na-open. Naka-winter matting na rin po siya. Menu. Ayan. Ayan siya. Tingin lang siya. Bluetooth, yun. Apple CarPlay. Meron siyang Apple CarPlay. I-connect mo lang yung phone mo. Yan. So, ulitin ko lang yung kanyang reverse camera yan. So, cleared. Ayan. Low kilometer, check. So, ulitin ko lang po, 2025 Kia Seltos, automatic all-wheel drive, number of cylinder po niya 4, version po niya EX4X, odometer po niya yun, 19,344 km, 96 months to pay or 8 years to pay, 127 tax included. First change po niya free, unang salpak din po ng kanyang summer tires libre yon. And then, of course, naka-warranty pa po to sa mismong Kia garage ng 5 years. Yan. Since 2025, mag-count ka ng 5 years. Ayan. So, ito po siya mga ka-person na yon. So, once again, 2025 Kia Seltos, 96 months to pay or 8 years to pay, 127 tax included. Pa-PM na lang po kung sino may gusto nito and then we'll process. Thank you!